Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we have a CLA 45 that comes with a big oversized mounting box. I'm going to show you how to replace it with something a bit smaller like this. Let's get into it. So what's the problem? A lot of Mercedes-Benz brand new, they come with a mounting box that's always bigger than the number plate. So this car has a signature plate. Obviously, it's a bit too big, very bulky, not clean. Even if you had slimline plates, they're a lot taller than what it should be. So what we've done is we've redesigned this mounting box to something a bit smaller, pair that with a bracket, and we're able to get these plates on nice and clean. First thing you're going to do, just take everything off the car, take the plate off and all the screws you see, and it'll drop out. Now that we've got the factory mounting box off, we can replace it with the miniature one. Installation is easy. At the back, you'll see a little knob that locates into that center hole. There's also these two little feet that helps you stabilize it, so you're always going to get it straight. The way I install it is to grab a permanent marker, mark out the holes, grab a very small drill bit, drill it in the center, so we can put in our screws. Now that we have our miniature plinth on, it's time to pair it up with a number plate bracket. So what that means is, if you're installing a, say, slimline plate, you grab yourself a slimline bracket which attaches to this. What we're going to do in this car, we're going to install some Victorian signature plates. So I have some signature plate brackets which are attached to this, and then the number plate will simply clips on. So there are a couple of holes left over from the big VOF. So the kit comes with its own little clips, which you can simply plug up the holes, so not left with like a big gaping hole that does nothing. And that's how you get rid of the big, bulky, oversized factory mounting box and shrink it down to something nice and clean with a floating effect that everyone loves. So just remember, the plinth is car specific, so make sure you choose the right one to suit your car, and also the correct bracket to match number plate style. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.